In this video, we will go over the features and setup instructions for the Arkscan MCM5 camera and smartphone mounting pedestal. The mount should arrive assembled, except for the spring-loaded smartphone mount. Let's begin by identifying all of the parts: the pedestal arm, clamp mount, a 1/4 inch by 20 threaded camera adapter, and the spring-loaded smartphone mount. The pedestal features 2 aluminum arms that, when fully extended, reaches 22 inches in length. The clamp on the MCM5 has a wide range of motion and can open up to 1 3/4 inches wide. The tightening knob is easy to grip and allows for a tight and secure fit onto a desk, shelf, cart, pipe, work table, or even a tree branch for those outdoor recording moments. This design allows for the pedestal to be mounted upside down for maximum versatility. Using the adjustment screw to loosen the arms, we are able to rotate the arms with 360-degree range of motion. And then you can tighten the arm in any position that is needed. If the adjustment screw is hitting what you've clamped the mount to and is unable to rotate and tighten or loosen, you can pull outward to disengage the screw and allow for free rotation. You can then let go and it will re-engage the screw. Each end of the arm has a ball joint connection. The ball joints provide even more freedom in the adjustability of the mount, allowing for near infinite angles and views. The pedestal is able to securely hold up to 3.5 pounds of weight. The 1/4 inch by 20 threaded camera adapter is a common size and able to accommodate DSLRs, camcorders, and other similar devices that use this type of screw. Line up the adapter screw with the camera socket, and then turn the red knob to tighten the camera body onto the camera adapter. There is also the spring-loaded smartphone mount with rubber grips to hold on tightly to your smartphone. It offers 2 mounting points, depending on how you want to record with your smartphone. For either location, line up the threads with the socket and turn the red knob to tighten the smartphone mount onto the threaded adapter. The mount is easily adjustable. By pulling the spring-loaded arms apart, you can easily and quickly install a smartphone that ranges from 2.25 inches to 3.25 inches in width, and allows you to insert or remove your phone with a single hand. If you loosen the adjustment screw too far on the pedestal and it becomes unthreaded from the arm, there are 2 washers that can fall out. If these washers fall out, it is very important that they be installed again correctly to ensure proper and safe functionality of the pedestal arm. Notice that this washer has 2 flat spots on the inside, and that the bolt has 2 flat spots as well. The flat spots need to line up when the arm is put back together. After they are lined up, the other washer goes on top, and then the adjustment screw is tightened back into place.